So guys, this is truly Swiss architecture. The weather is horrible. There's a tram, yellow like the Kenyan school buses. I hope that music is not copyrighted, because honestly, I just hate it when that happens, because it's not my fault. So hectic having to walk around with an umbrella every other day. Oh, the Three Kings. The trams over here are green and yellow. Ooh. Not the best day to explore, but it's beautiful regardless. Okay. Guys, this is beautiful. It's like every other city I've been to since I got to France, and even Switzerland has a lake or a river. There's this monument. Let's see. Yeah guys, so I was saying it's like every other. Also ignore the wound I have above my lip. I have had a fever for so long, and I don't even know if that's the reason why I have a wound on my lip or not. But yeah, I was saying every single city I've been to ever since I got to France and even Switzerland has like a lake or a river, and I'm always walking on some bridge, which is so beautiful. I just love it. And by the way, I'm wearing a beanie. I hate beanies, but it's so cold I needed one. So yeah. I'm still sick, to be honest, but I feel good enough to walk around today, and I hope I don't get lost because I don't have much time, but we'll see. Oh my gosh, my hands are freezing so much, they're even painful. I have gloves. Let me put on my gloves because there is no way I am going to just have my hands this painful. They feel horribly painful because of the cold. Bring a Kenyan girl to winter and she suffers. So many trams though, gosh. It's like people are always moving around. So guys, I had to come to H&M because my fingers are freezing and I need some warmth. My fingers are painful. It's so cold. So I'm out of H&M and I'm on this other street. Okay guys, I ended up here by sheer luck. I don't have a lot of time, so I will just go into some shops to check out the sales they have because I don't want to be late. I need to go back to Mulhouse to sleep a bit, and also my internet is not working here and I have work to do. So let me go back. I'll have another chance to come back here. Guys, such a beautiful city, such sad weather. I mean, I won't have the chance to see much today, unfortunately, because I am time bound. We just brought a child to the hospital here, and I will need to go back because otherwise I don't get a ride back, and I don't know much of how to get the tram here, but I'll just show you a bit of what I'm seeing. And this looks very interesting. I hope I'm not in like one of those unsafe streets. I wouldn't know. I mean, imagine how nice this place looks in the summer and springtime. Right now it's abandoned, like there's never anyone outside. I mean, there's hardly anyone here. I mean, I cannot wait to have the chance to come back here when I'm not in a rush, because this is so beautiful. Look at the buildings, so nice. I mean, I hate that there's trash outside, but maybe it's garbage collection day, but otherwise, see? And I'm running out of time. Let me go this way because the cars are blocking my view. Look, it's gorgeous. I'm trying not to wander off too much because of time again, but I'm so tempted. Look, I also don't have a guide, so I have to keep tabs of where I'm at because I have like 30 minutes left. Okay, let's not go too deep in there. At least not for today, but I will have the time. This side is even more colorful. Oh, good. I thought I was lost for a second there. You always want to know where the Burger Kings are because it's so expensive in Switzerland that Burger King, KFC will save you. Look, such a cute eating. I would have just used that route to get here. I've gone round. Well, it's because my Google isn't working, so I just had to use the same route I used while going there to come back because I don't want to get lost. the view again from here. So this water usually looks so nice in the warmer seasons, you know. Gosh, I can't even zoom because I have a glove on the other hand. Let me. But I want to cross the road. Honestly, it's so beautiful. You just can't see it so well because the weather is so gloomy. It's winter. So I'm back to where I started, and I have to wait for the guys I came with. I mean, for the lady I came with. So yeah. It's a park.
So adorable.
Yeah, I like the way they put the urs. Is it called an urs when they? I love that they have like a vintage whatever. Oh, I have a scar on my face. I don't like it.
Scar on your face? What happened?
I think it's because of the fever that I had. Like,
It's a fever. Yeah, I know. It's very common. It will go away.
it will.
You can Photoshop if you don't like it.
I just love that they have this entire aesthetic. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.